मैं हूं नाइला भट्टी।
शामिल करते हैं अब तक की अहम खबरें।
I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we add news from Karachi. General Syed Asim Munir Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of Army Staff visited the International Defence Exhibition and Seminar Ideas 2024 at the Karachi Expo Centre. During the visit, the Chief of Army Staff commended the active participation of defence manufacturers from friendly nations and observed an impressive display of arms and equipment by both domestic and international exhibitors. A total of 557 exhibitors are participating in the exhibition, of which 333 are international exhibitors, while 224 are domestic exhibitors. 36 countries established exhibitors stalls, of which 17 countries are participating for the first time. Over 300 foreign delegates from 53 countries attended the event and showed full confidence in the exhibition and the defence industry of Pakistan. During the exhibition, Chief of Army Staff also engaged in the meaningful interactions with military officials and defence delegates present at the event. A significant highlight of the occasion was the inauguration of the Shahpar 3, a state-of-the-art combat unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Global Industrial Defence Solutions, Pakistan. The Shahpar 3 boosts advanced capabilities, including an operational ceiling of 35,000 feet and an endurance of over 24 hours. It is equipped to carry a wide range of munitions, including bombs, missiles, and torpedoes. 12th editions of Ideas 2024 commenced on 19th November and will culminate on 22nd November 2024. Earlier, upon his arrival at Karachi, Chief of Army Staff was warmly received by Lieutenant General Babar Iftikhar, Corps Commander, Karachi.
अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मज़ीद खबरों और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहें साइबान न्यूज़ HD।